Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you something about Alpine.js and more specifically about the Alpine.js Tutor I created myself as a custom GPT inside of ChatGPT. Because in ChatGPT, you can build your own custom GPTs, and that's exactly what I did here. This Alpine Tutor is based on the official Alpine.js documentation, but it's not just copied from the web page. I used a service called Context 7, which prepares content specifically for large language models like ChatGPT. Based on that, I created this tutor. To create a custom GPT, you need a ChatGPT Plus account at least, but the good news is you can still use it with a free account. That means if you want to try it out, just head over to my website, webdev1x1.de. There you'll find a simple option to sign up for the newsletter. You don't have to pay anything, just enter your email address and you'll get the link to the Alpine.js Tutor. You also get access to my beginner courses on the website. Okay, so let's have a look at the tutor itself. So here is my custom GPT Alpine.js Tutor, and here's the description: interactive Alpine.js assistant trained on the Context 7 documentation, and also of course with my prompt, so it has a little bit of directions from me and I can choose one of the predefined questions here, or I can ask anything custom. So maybe I just click here, what is X data and how does it work? And then the tutor will explain it to me. X data is the Alpine.js directive that initializes a component's reactive state. And that's it. I think that is a good explanation. And here's also example code that you can use. Of course, here is something missing. You need to include the Alpine.js script in a script tag from a CDN or from your own server. So you can ask, how do I install Alpine.js, for example? So how do I install Alpine.js in my web page? And then it should give me the link. Maybe, yes, here we have the CDN link, Content Distribution Network, that you can copy directly into your page in a script tag. And then this is important here. Defer, just copy it and put it in, for example, in the header section of your web page. This ensures Alpine loads after the HTML is parsed. Here, this hint, and then you can do something like this with this snippet here. You have an increment button, and here the text binding to this state here. X data is defining the state, and here with this button you increment the state, and here with this binding with X text, you are binding the text content here to this state here. So this is it in a nutshell, but you can ask, of course, anything you like about Alpine.js here. And if you want a structured introduction and also the whole functionality of Alpine.js explained in a structured way with 2 example projects, then you can, of course, go to my Alpine.js course, and this will be linked on my webpage and also here under this video in the description. So if you like, go to my webpage, then register for the newsletter, and then you get the link to this custom GPT here. And also there is a link to my entry courses about JavaScript, about Alpine.js and TypeScript. And this will also be available after the newsletter subscription. Okay, so that's it for this video, and see you in the next.